Hello. Here I'm going to run through a demo of the new functionality of the XenDesktop Farm Migration Tool that now allows migrations between Citrix Cloud regions. I have a Windows 10 VM here sitting in the US region, and I want to get it over here to a farm I have in the EU region. So I go ahead and I launch my XenDesktop Farm Migration Tool. I'm running a single migration, so I pass in my VM name. And I'm selecting Citrix Cloud as my source, so I have to give it my customer ID, and I have to give it the secure CSV file that allows for remote PowerShell. I enter my target Citrix Cloud Farm customer ID, and again the secure client CSV file, and I go ahead and I validate. So the tool is going to check that it can successfully communicate with both the source farm in Citrix Cloud, and it'll communicate with the target farm and read some information from it. So it's just going to take a couple of seconds. And once we've gathered all that information, we can go ahead and set our options for the migration. So for here, I'm just going to set the DDC in the registry, and that's going to be my cloud connector for my target farm. And I'm also going to select the option then to delete the VM from the source farm. Select my target catalog and my target delivery group, and start the migration. And once that's running, I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording for a second because it's going to take a couple of minutes. And we're back. So the migration is finished. The VM has successfully registered in the target farm. And if I go back and I look at my source farm and I refresh, the VM is gone. And I go to my target farm in the EU and I refresh, and the VM is registered. So we can now successfully migrate VMs from one Citrix Cloud farm to another.